Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you will be watching this video from. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cherono Kemey, and thank you so much for your always support. Yeah, for the returning subscribers, I really want to appreciate you so much. And for those who are new here, please consider subscribing. And guys, I do nature videos, and remember that I'm in the village, and guys, we need to learn more and know more about what happens in the village and the things that we enjoy while we are here in the village. Yeah, you know, here there are no bills here, guys. Everything is just beautiful. The nature itself is just amazing. Yeah, and let's all enjoy. So join me as I head to the garden to harvest ripe, juicy guavas straight from the tree. There is nothing like picking fresh organic fruit and enjoying the sweet tropical flavors right from the nature, guys. In this video, I'll show you how to select the best guavas, share some tips on harvesting, and give you a glimpse of the beautiful garden scenery. If you love fresh fruits, gardening, or farm to table experiences, this is for you guys. You will love it. You will love it. Let me know from the comment section what you think about today's video. Welcome, guys.
Hey. You? The other one? The bawa.
Talk to me.
The bawa.
Talk one day.
Hey. Baba. Yeah. I got wood in here.
Talk one day.
Hey.
Talk one day, mommy.
There's a woman born in Kenya, and she walks like she can fly. She has seen so many things that I could never write. Ooh, Cherono Kemey. Ooh, Cherono Kemey. She knows where the water is hiding, in the mountains and the desert sand. She can read trail of footprints, and she don't need no man's helping hand. Ooh, Cherono Kemey.
Again, there's an avocado tree. Then we have the
Ooh, Cherono Kemey. And she sleeps beneath the stars on a carpet made of grass. She says the constellations, they change from land to land.
they are ripe.
Ooh, Cherono Kemey.
See.
Ooh, Cherono Kemey. Sleeps beneath the stars on a carpet made of grass. She says the constellations, they change from land to land. Ooh, Cherono Kemey. Ooh, Cherono Kemey.
ripe kabisa. Yeah. See this? See this? Yeah. They are ripe. I think I can taste this. Ilinyesha jana. It rained yesterday, so I won't wash. Let me just taste it for you. Let me taste it for you. Sugar girl. You want this? Sugar cane. Napier grass. Bananas. Bananas. Mihogo. Cassava. Banana.
There's a woman born in Kenya, and she walks like she can fly. She has seen so many things that I could never write. Ooh, Cherono Kemey. Ooh, Cherono Kemey. She knows where the water's hiding, in the mountains and the desert sand. She can read a trail of footprints. She don't need no man's helping hand. Ooh, Cherono Kemey. Ooh, Cherono Kemey. And she sleeps beneath the stars on a carpet made of glass. Says the constellations, they change from land to land. Ooh, Cherono Kemey. Ooh, Cherono Kemey. And she sleeps beneath the stars on a carpet made of glass. She says the constellations, they change from land to land. Ooh, ooh, Cherono Kemey. Ooh, Cherono Kemey.
Mango tree. Mango tree is here. Jado, Jodo. So, Ibrahim, Ibrahim, Ibrahim. Ibrahim, boy. No. Nam golo. Nam gole. Nam golo baba. Gole. Nyoto no ni. Shika hivi. Shika. Usishika hapa. Acha mama nishikie. Na mwana jana. Machago.
Nene kata be.
Na mwana.
Mtaka chichi na.
Na mwana. Lila.
Koda na gari yo.
Wiko masana ni jana. Yo. Sililana agutela. Atagu? May atagu. Lila na naman kwelo.